Good morning children. Welcome to our online classes. Today we will start with our new chapter, chapter number 2, operations involving large numbers. Operations involving large number, this chapter we have studied in the April month. Let's recall. What do we mean by four operations? The four main operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This is the sign of addition, this is the sign of subtraction, this is the sign of multiplication and this is the sign of division. Today we will start with our exercise number 2.1. Question number 1 is add the following. You have to add the given numbers. Okay, how we will add? Always remember one thing, that we add from left to right. As you can have studied in your earlier classes also, we always start adding from left to right. Let's start. Okay, this is the first question. Let's start how we will add. 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 4 carry 1, and please remember, write the carry forwarded number within the circle. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 7 is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 plus 8 is 27. 7 carry 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. 8 carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. Sorry, 13 plus 5 is 18. Yes. 8 carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 8 carry forward 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16. So this is your answer. After solving the question, you have to write the answer like this. Answer is equals to like this. You have to solve the question and write the answer. Okay, now moving on to our question number 2. This is also add the following number 2. Let's add this. Okay, 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. 5 carry forward 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 0 carry 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 0 carry 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. 0 carry 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 0 carry 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. So here we will write 16. This we have solved. Now we will write the answer below here. Answer is equals to 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 0 and 5. In this way you have to solve the question and write. After solving the question, below the question you have to write the answer like this. Okay, like this only you have to solve the rest of the question. Now moving on to question number 2. Now let's see what is our question number 2. Now see, what is question number 2? Question number 2 is replace each with the correct digit. have to replace the star sign with a correct digit. Okay, you have to replace the sign with a correct digit. Let's solve question number 1. 7, 8, 5. Here star sign is there. Then 6, 2, 3, 8, 4, 7, 5, 0. I am writing blank in place of this sign. Okay. 9 dash 4, 8, 3 dash 0, 7, 4, 6, 3, 8. You have to add this. Addition sign is given here. Okay. Here it is 8 dash 5 dash 9. As you all can remember that in earlier classes you have solved fill in the missing digit. This is also like that. You have to fill the missing digits. Okay. In place of star I have written the blank sign here. How we will solve this? Addition sign is given. So one thing is clear that you have to add the numbers and find the number. Okay. Let's start here. 8 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 2 is 12, 13. Here it is written 9. Means 19 will be there. Then only here it is 9. So what is the number we are having? 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 6 is less. So we will write here 6. 19. Carry forward should be 1 here. 6. 6 plus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 14 plus 3 is 7. 7. Carry forward 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Here 5 is written, means there should be 25. So which number you will add to get 25? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 9. So we will write here 9. Next. 5. So 2 will be carry here. 25 is there now. So 2 will be carry forward here. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 7 will be here and 2 will be carry forwarded here. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 will be 14. 14 plus 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 plus 7 is 30. 0 carry here 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 8 will be 18. 18 plus 0 is same that number. 8 carry forward 1. 3 plus 1 will be 4. 4 and here you want 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So in this way you have to solve this question. Okay. So one more question is there. You have to solve that question by your own. Now moving on to our question number 3. What is our question number 3? Question number 3 is find the sum of. Question number 3 is find the sum of. You have to find the sum. As you can see, as you all can see in your book, your question is written in horizontal form. 6, 8, 7, 3. And 7, 7, 3, 6. As you can as you all can see in your book, your question is written in this form, in horizontal form. First you have to convert this into vertical form and then you have to add. So let us see how we will convert this into vertical form. Okay, we will write the solution in copy. Always remember, first you count the digit and first you write the place values of the number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So here we will write lakh, then TTH represent 10,000, 10,000, 100, tens, and then ones. So we will start writing the numbers. First is 2,68,753. Then second is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It is also lakh number. So 2,57,492. Third number is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is 10,000. So 74,736. As you all can see here, I have written the numbers below the numbers. Always remember, while adding, subtracting the digits, or while doing any operation in mathematics, you have to write the numbers below the numbers. That is very important in maths. Okay, so let's start by adding this number. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. 1. Carry forwarded number always write within the circle. That will remind you that you have to add that number only. 9 plus 1, 10, 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. 8, carry forward 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19. 9, carry forward number 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 4 will be 20. 0, carry 2, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 will be 13, 13 plus 7 is 20. 0, carry forward 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Like this we get our answer, and after solving the question, all have to write below answer. So below the question you have to write the answer. What is the answer? 6,981. In this way we have to solve the question. First you will convert the horizontal form into vertical form, write the place values of the digits, and then solve the question. Okay, like this way we have to find the sum of these questions. Now moving on to question number 4. What is our question number 4? It is a word problem. Okay, I am not writing the question, I will write the solution. Question you can look from your book. I am reading the question. A factory manufactures bulbs. Its year-wise production is given below. In 2006 to 7, 2,46,678 bulbs. In next year, 2,28,000 some bulbs. In next year also some numbers are given, and in next year also some numbers are given. Find the total number of bulbs manufactured by the factory during the period of 2006 to 2010. Means starting from 2006 ending, how many bulbs did the factory manufacture, that you have to find it out. So how we will find it out? We have to find the total sum. Okay, so we will write the statement here. I am not writing the question, I am writing the solution only. You have to write the question and then the solution. Okay, what will be the statement? Number of bulbs manufactured in year 2006 to 2007. What is the number of bulbs manufactured in this year? 2,46,678. Okay, Same statement will be there, but year will change. In year 2007 to 2008, how many bulbs are manufactured here? 2,28,456 bulbs. Next also the statement will be same, but year will change. 2008 to 2009, how many bulbs are manufactured? 2,02,234 bulbs. Okay. Next also statement will be same, year will change. 2009 to 2010. How many bulbs are there? 2,98,123. So what question is asked? You have to find the total number of bulbs manufactured from the year 2006 till 2010. So what we will do? We will add the following numbers and we will get our answer. Okay. So here you will write total bulbs manufactured during 2006 to 2010. We will add. First we will write the place values of the digit. It is a lakh number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So we will write here first the place value lakh. TTH represent 10,000, 1000, 100, tens and then ones. Write the numbers. 2,46,678, then 2,28,456, then 2,02,234, then 2,98,123, and finally you will add this number to get your answer. Okay, let's add this. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 19, 20, 21. 1, carry 2, 5 plus 5, 10, 17, 18, 19, 9, carry 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 12, 13, 14, 4, carry 1, 8, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 5, carry 2, 4, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 7, carry 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many bulbs manufactured during this period? Answer is, you will write the answer below. After solving this question, you will write the answer below. There is no space, so I am writing on the side. 9,75,491 bulbs. This is the solution of your answer question. Okay. Now moving on to question number 5. Listen children, I am not writing the word problem question. I am reading the question and I am solving the answers. Okay. Now, what is question number 5? Question number 5 is, in a town there are 2,50,754 men, 2,23,506 women, 3,60,576 children. Find the population of that town. You have to find the population of town. Okay. I am not writing the question, I am writing the solution only. Here it is, question number 5, solution. Okay. So, how many men are there? You will write number of men. Number of men is equals to 2,50,754. Number of women is equals to 2,23,506. Number of children is equals to 3,60,576. What you have to find it out, you have to find the total number of population. Okay, so here you will write total population this you have to find it out. First you will write the place value of the digits. First you will write the place value of the digit as a lakh number digit. Lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Okay, first is 2,50,754, 2,23,506, 3,60,576. Total is given, so you have to add. Write here plus sign, then add the following. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 6, carry 1. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 is 13, 3, carry 1. 10, 17 plus 1, 18, 8, carry 1. Here 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, carry 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So what is the total population of the town? The total population of the town is 8,34,836. This is the total population of the town. So this is all for today. Thank you. And chapter number 1 notes is provided after this video. Okay, so you please complete your copy and write in a neat handwriting. And these exercise note will be uploaded in the next video. Okay, thank you.